So what country is gonna be this for us?
It's gonna be Portugal.
And that's country number?
21st.
I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We're Lina and Dan, and since January 2018, we've been traveling around the world. If you like to follow our adventures, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode.
Get you out of my head, out of my head.
We're heading to Luxembourg airport, and in order to get to the airport we need to get the bus, and the bus is 15 minutes walk from our hotel. The adventure starts now. So we're trying to cross the street, but it's almost impossible. There is no sidewalk, so let's see what we can do. It's crazy, and no sidewalks from here.
Not safe, but this is the only way.
It's true.
Sometimes you don't have any choice.
This is the fastest way to the airport, but it's not the safest. Please don't learn from us. It's a dangerous adventure. Kiss and go.
Let's follow the signs. Kiss and go. Let's go.
Yes, we made it to the airport, and now we have to go get our tickets and go to the lounge.
D'un problème informatique, technique, opérationnel.
And it's time for some food. Celebrating with this piece of cake our 20th country, the country of Luxembourg.
It's a piece of cake.
Absolutely, piece of cake, 20th country.
We're leaving now Luxembourg, and the next destination is Portugal, 21st country.
Yay! Thank you. Okay, merci. And this is our airplane waiting for us.
I love EasyJet. Everything's so easy with EasyJet. The best. So what I like about EasyJet is the orange color and the wings that at the end they're really curved.
I just love the moon tonight. What a beautiful moon. This is our pilot. Getting ready.
We love EasyJet because everything is easy.
Yeah, it's true. Unfortunately, today we're late.
That's okay. In Philippines, we waited for 2 hours and a half.
If we arrive safe.
That's more important.
Yeah, exactly.
I am invincible now. I am unstoppable now. And it is all 'cause of you.
in local time. It's now approximately 25 to 12. So we're now behind comparing with Luxembourg. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It was our pleasure to have you all on board, and we hope to see you sometime soon in the near future. Once again, thank you very much, and we wish you a good evening.
Please remain in your seat until the seatbelt sign is switched off.
It's time for a new day.
Welcome to Portugal. It's raining hard, so a bus came with us. One more.
So wet.
What did I do? It's raining so hard and our suitcase is so wet. Let's see the other one. The suitcase is coming. It's still wet? What's happening? We're waiting for our Uber to take us to the hotel. Finally we arrived in the rain. We survived. Looks very nice and we love it so far.
This is the 19th floor.
Yeah.
You always like the higher floor.
Yeah, we love higher
Possible,
floors.
1915
1915
should be that way.
should be that
I mean,
way.
this way.
Yes. 1915. Yeah. Oh, now that's 13, 14. Oh, it's maybe there.
Maybe there.
1915. Oh, you have to put the card first. Let it be light. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love our room.
This hotel is amazing.
It's 1:20 after midnight and we just arrived in Dom Pedro Hotel in Portugal. This place is really amazing. We really love it.
Thank you to Dom Pedro for having us here. They set up a very beautiful table for us. We really enjoy it. We woke up very early in the morning and we are very tired. So we'll see you tomorrow.
It's time for a